Hey guys, and that's my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. The other video, big thumbs up. And if you guys are new here, hit that bell, and you'll be notified every time I post. So today we're going to be making butter slime. Sorry about my background. Not really good background. I have really bad lighting. But how you make a popcorn slime is, I'll tell you. Okay. So, how to make a popcorn slime is you need this like snow stuff. It is so cool, and it makes like that texture to the slime. I actually have 2 buckets of it. That's like the third ingredient. I'm using this activator, which is just a little bit of borax and a water. Then I'm using Amazon glue. It's school glue and it's gallon. You can use any type of glue that you would prefer. My lighting is really bad. Okay. Then I have some yellow food coloring, normal. You can use gold or food coloring. And then this is my mixing tool. So, mix my slime with. Sorry, I'm having a struggle. A really big one. Instead. Okay, I'm gonna go get a mixing bowl. And to make it even funner for a popcorn thing is if you buy like a popcorn like thing that popcorn goes into from like movie theater, if you have like a movie theater thing, just take out all the extra popcorn if you didn't eat it all at the movies, because I never eat all my popcorn. And then yeah, which I want to make, I don't know, kind of a big slime. Okay. I don't want to make this video too long. It's already 3 minutes and like, I don't know, 10, 11, I don't know, minutes, I don't know. What's not minutes? It hasn't even been a minute yet. Or it has been a minute yet. Okay, now that I have my glue, I'm gonna put food coloring, and we'll see how many drops I need. These sometimes give out different amounts, but everybody uses these. So I'm like, oh, well, for once, I just want to try it out. And now I don't really like them. Like, they're so easy to mix. Okay, 1 drop is totes not enough, because that's really light. Okay, now I'm going to put 3 drops in, which I already put 1 in, so now I'm just going to put in 2. Nope, that's not even a popcorn color. Wow. This makes your bowl so clean. I don't know how to put it like sideways so you guys can see upwards, because I'm not using a camera. I'm actually using a phone. My mom's phone, so yeah. And I actually will be coming out with some new merch, so just wait. And my birthday is in, guess, 7 more days. You guess 7 more days, you're correct. Not even a popcorn color. I already added 6. So at 6 drops, it won't even be a popcorn color. You make what you think a popcorn color would be like. But when you do and put in the stuff, it will turn lighter. Okay, this is a popcorn color, but I'm gonna put 4 extras because it does make your slime way lighter. Activate it. So I'm like, oh, well, it doesn't really matter how your slime is right now because it's already gonna be like mixed. So. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the popcorn stuff, but I'm gonna use it from the bigger one because it's empty. Let me go get. I'm gonna use these, which are my favorite because they're like this pink metallic color. When you put white on them, they turn metallic. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use the biggest one, which this is 1 table, 15 milliliters. So this is 1 tablespoon, or 1 table, and 15 milliliters. I'm not so sure. Ask your parents what 1 TBS, 115, 15 ml. I'm not so sure. I'm gonna open this up. By the way, I washed all of these things that I use. Now I'm gonna add 2 of these, so it's probably 3 of these, maybe 3, or 4 1/4. Okay, that's 4 1/4 that. I think that's done. I'm gonna go with this one. Go wash this, and I'll be right back. No. Okay, now it's nice and clean. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this in. And specifically popcorn. I need to add more of this too. But I have to do that at the end because you only said a teeny bit. And it's supposed to make the glue feel different, and it feels really different. It feels like sand. It has like green in it, which that's really good. Because I gotta make it like, I don't know. Kind of like it with green in it. So this looks like a frosting, and it actually spreads like a frosting on the side of the pool. Okay, see, look how it's spread, and this definitely feels like it does not look the same as glue as it before. So that's why I don't want to add any more because it's totally different. Even if you added a little bit, it would look totally different. So I kind of want to get to the middle of the page. Like, if your birthday is in the school year, my birthday is too, because my birthday's in 7 more days and I'm still in school, not summertime, which I love school. I wish I never have summer, never. But I still have like break, spring break, but not summer break. I wish summer break was shorter and things. I'm gonna put on some gloves because I've never used gloves before. It's like this is kind of disgusting. And I don't want to overactivate it, so that's why I'm just going to. Okay, I got 2 small gloves. I just have doctor gloves, and that is totally fine. You can buy, you can buy slime gloves. I prefer doctor gloves because they, like, you don't have to wash them and things. They're really easy if you do want to wash them. They are really easy to wash. Okay. I think I need 2 of these. Now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon, 5 milliliters, and then, well, maybe more than that, just a teensy bit more. And then, like, a tip of this. You guys can do your own thing or whatever you're going to do for your activator. I'm just telling you what I use for my activators, and that's how I'm a slime master, because, yeah. And I turn other people to a slime master too, because they use contact solution and things like that, just like contact solution. But if you use that, I told them to use baking soda because it doesn't activate their slime. I'm like, why doesn't this activate my slime? See how messy your gloves get? But then slime gloves get even messier than this. It looks like rotten mac and cheese. That's disgusting. It's like rotten mac and cheese. Like, I love mac and cheese. And I wouldn't say that. Ooh, it actually does feel good. I wanted to, like, feel it because it seemed like it felt really good, so. And actually, when you play with it more, it makes it way better. So, actually, going to add another thing of the snow. And it's meant for slime. My mom bought it, it said meant for slime. So that's why I'm like, Mom, you need to buy this. And actually, the more of this that you add to it, I'm like, OMG. I'm like, I need to add more of that. Instead of adding activator, you just add the snow into it. It makes it more like activated, but it's still like that wet consistency. It's not even like slime. It's just like foamy stuff. I do need to add more activator. Another one of these. Oh no, and you want this to be overactivated because eventually you're gonna have to throw it away. But after a while, I'm just gonna let this melt in the sun because I don't really want this. Don't let it sit out and think it's gonna melt because it's actually just gonna dry up That is so crunchy. I don't even care that it's not even like looking like popcorn. But listen, shh. That is like so satisfying. And look, once you stretch it out, it kind of looks like popcorn. But if there was bigger bits of this snow stuff, I would definitely buy that because that would look like popcorn. Because this just looks like really small popcorn. And popcorn has some white in it, so I'm just gonna go like this and kind of mix it in kind of a teensy bit. I want to mix it in just teensy bit. Okay, and now here's the popcorn. It has like white in it and yellow in it, and it looks like real popcorn. This is, I'm gonna make it. I was supposed to make it crunchy, but I didn't. I think I'm actually gonna keep this slime because when you're a slime master, and I was saying, when you're a slime master and you make bad slimes, you always save your slimes. You never. Okay, that's the end of this video. If you guys want to see more of these videos, click up here, and you can, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget, my merch is coming out at summertime. I wanted to tell you guys at the end of the video. Peace.